Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to code the visuals for the quiz game. First, we will declare font big. So font big will be the same syntax as the other font declarations, but it'll just be bigger, size 120. Okay, and now we're going to make the quiz draw function. So this will draw the quiz onto the game, or so quiz draw. Okay, so define quiz draw, and it'll take 3 arguments. So the first, it'll be the 2 random numbers, so x and y, and the answer to the product of them, so x, y, and answer. So first we'll want to fill the screen. So we can do that with screen.fill, and then we'll input a tuple of the RGB values. So I toyed around with the coloring of this game, and I changed the coloring scheme, and it looks a lot nicer right now. Okay, so this will be like a deep blue background. So then we'll need to create the question box. So question box. So pygame.draw. So it's going to be a rectangle. Rect, and then screen. So we're gonna, the surface is the screen, and then the color, so it'll be a tuple, it'll be green, and we want the box to be around the middle, so it'll be at coordinates 135 and 100, and it'll be 500 wide and 170 or 500, and 170 is the height. Okay, so next will be, and then we're gonna output the text, so the question, draw the question. So then it'll be screen.lit, and then we're going to use the big font, so font big dot render, and then the string value of x, and then we're going to render this string, so it'll be plus. So this will be the multiplication sign, so times plus string of y. So that's the, and we'll have equals question mark. So this will be the string we'll render. It'll be bolded, that is for the 1, and its color will be white, so 255, 255, and 255. Okay, so this part renders the string, and and we're gonna put this will be the coordinates. So this will be 160 by 150. So this is the question box, code for the question box. And then now we'll want to code the answer boxes. So there's multiple answer boxes, but it'll like follow similar to, it'll be similar to the question box. It'll be a rectangle and then the text. So the rectangle will be a nice turquoise color. So 200 for blue and red, and blue and green and blue. And then, so this will be the first box from the left. And then we'll want to do it again. Everything will be the same except, and in the text, it won't be the question, it'll be the string form of answer. So when we send answer into the function, answer will be a list. So it's like the first index of answer we'll want to print out in the first box. So okay, and then we'll want to do that 4 other times. Okay, and everything else will be the same except the x coordinate of the box will change by, or this will be 50, and so the coordinates and dimensions of the box will change. So 500 and 170. Okay, this will be 60 at the coordinates 60 and 370. So we'll want 4 of these. So okay, and now the only difference will be the x coordinates will be changing by 200. So this will be 250, this will be 450, and this will be 650. So the boxes have moved, but we'll also need to change the x coordinates of the text. So it'll change by 202, so 260, 460, and 660. Okay. And the answer, so it'll be index 1, index 2, index 3. Okay. So now we have all the answer boxes working. So now we want to display the score. Display score. So we want to play the score onto the screen. So screen.play, and we'll use font small. The score plus score, and then pass it into a string. Okay. Okay, so now it'll be so that is what we were rendering, and then it'll be 1 for bolded, and then the color will be white, so 255, and then the coordinates will be 650 or 25, and now we'll have to update the screen the display the update. Okay, so the function is complete, but we still have to call it. So we'll call it at the end. So at the end of, like after we finish making the question, we'll call the function. So it'll be quiz draw, and so we'll pass in the first random number, the second random number, and the list of answers. Okay, so we also need to change the width and height of our rectangles, of the answer boxes, because right now they have the same width and height as our question box. So 150, and the length or the height will be 100. Okay, so let's see how it is so far. So we'll need to change the color scheme of the menu. We can do that later in the video. Start. So this is how the quiz game looks so far. So 11 times 6, 66, and our score increases. 12 times 7, 84, or okay, so now we'll change the answer boxes. So if we'll change the color of the answer box. So if the user clicks correctly, then we'll change the color to green, and if they click incorrectly, then we'll change the color to red. So okay, so we'll want to do pygame.draw.rect, and then screen. So it'll be green, so 0, and then we'll do like a darker green, but not very dark, like a nice dark green or deep green, and then it'll be same as it'll be the same rectangle. It'll just be over it, so I'll just go over the previous rectangle that was there. So same coordinates, same everything, and except it's green. And then since we're covering it, then we'll have to put the writing again. So actually this will be the same as the function. So okay, so now this will put the text over again. So now we'll want to do that for if it's wrong too. So if it's wrong, we'll use red 204 and green as 0, and everything else will be the same. And now we'll want to do that for all the other boxes, but this one it will change by 60. And then the color will be red, so 204. Okay, we'll do that here, but this time it'll be 400 and the color is green, so that is good. Oh, and this answer will have to be 1, like it's at the second index, and this one will be 2 since it's at the third index. Okay, it's at the third index. Oh, and then wait, so 1 second. Oh, okay. I accidentally did 4 instead of 5. I mean 5 instead of 4. Okay. Control V. So this will be 450. 450. And the color will be red. 204. Okay, and now for the last box, it'll be green. It'll be 600 and 600, and the index will be 3. Okay, so now we want to do that for red. 0, 204. Okay, so this is how it'll look like now. So run, start. Oh, okay, so 77. Well, I think we have to increase the delay and use font small instead. Font. Or font. Here, let's check what font we used. No, I think it'll just have to be normal font. So here too. So font. Oh no. Okay. So we'll want to change all the answer boxes font size to just font. So okay. So let's try it again. Run. Start. So 49, so 36, 16. Okay, so it works, but we have to change the color. So I think the color will have to delay maybe 165. Let's check. Oh, okay, not delay, it's maybe, yeah, actually we should delay a little, but we forgot to update the screen, so that was a mistake. Control C. Okay, so after all of these, update the screen. Start, and now say show green, so 36, and now if you try wrong, it'll show red. And if you want to keep the red a little longer, you can just change the delay time. Okay, so now we'll change the color scheme of the menu. So instead of having a turquoise background, we'll have a nice deep blue background, so it'll be 150 blue, and then we'll change the writing to white, 255. Okay, so this is what the game will look like now. So this is the menu. Oh, and I guess since the rose is blue, it kind of blends in with the background, so we'll change rose to red. So instead of blue, I'll change it to 200 red. Okay. Right. Okay, so this is a very simple menu, but it's like so to show you guys how to make a menu, take user input using mouse. Okay, start. Okay, so 7 times 8, 56. So 12 times 5, 60. 6, 7, 2, 1, 60. Okay, now let's try getting some wrong. Let's say 25, wrong. So when it's wrong, it'll show, or when it's correct, it'll show green, and when it's wrong, it'll show red. Okay, so that's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, I will show you how to code the power-ups and the timer for the game. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos. This video was created by Md Nazmus Saad from the CodeBakery. Looking to learn how to code apps, games, and websites for free? Subscribe and sign up at thecodebakery.heroku.app.com.